Before I spent any money on the Cove AC, I wanted to know if it actually lived up to the hype. After looking into its features and checking what people are saying, here's my take. The biggest selling point is convenience. It's compact, doesn't require complicated installation, and it's designed to cool or heat a small space without using a bulky window unit. If you're looking for something portable for a bedroom, office, or apartment, those features definitely sound appealing. But here's where expectations matter. Despite the marketing, this isn't a replacement for a full-size air conditioner. Independent reviews suggest it works best for localized comfort rather than cooling an entire room, and some buyers felt the advertising overstated its performance. So, is the Cove AC worth your money? I'd say yes, but only if you understand what you're buying. If you need a compact device to make your personal space more comfortable, it could be a decent option. But if you're expecting central AC-level cooling, you'll probably end up disappointed. Overall, I'd give the Cove AC a 6.5 out of 10. It has some useful features, but the marketing promises more than the product realistically delivers.